Just a follow-up on the MySmile floss. This is the dental floss, and really easy to go. It's great for travel. You know, it's your typical floss. But the main thing is on the back, it tells you how much you have left. I love that you have 90 days worth of it. If you're not doing it right, then you're doing it and it's going to be more full. So it tells you how much, and how much is well in the package to use when you floss. So you want to pull it out like that far. Wrap them around both ends. Your fingers get close, and then you can like get in there, and you can see the tape on there, and it has a minty fresh taste to it. So after you do floss your teeth, they feel really clean and smell really clean. So really great floss from MySmile. If you're looking for floss, I recommend it highly. So thanks for watching.